Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best global payroll for hiring contractors in US by comparing Deel and Remote. If you're looking for the best global payroll for hiring contractors in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Deel is a global payroll and employer of record (OR) platform that aims to help businesses manage their international workforce. It focuses on simplifying complex tasks like global payroll, compliance with local laws, and employee benefits management. Deel payroll software supports payroll processing for employees and contractors in over 100 countries. The platform automates tasks like tax filings, compliance checks, and multi-currency payments. Deel's employer of record (OR) services allow businesses to hire employees in countries where they don't have a physical presence or legal entity. Deel offers a contractor management system with features like 15 payment options. For U.S. contractors, Deel enables one-click generation of W-9s and filing of 1099s. Businesses upgrading to Deel Shield or Deel Premium can also access additional protections against contractor misclassification. Deel offers integrations with various software solutions, focusing on accounting, project management, and HR tools. It also provides an API, allowing businesses to build custom integrations. Remote.com is a platform that aims to simplify global hiring and payroll for businesses with international teams. As an employer of record, (OR), and payroll provider, Remote can help companies hire employees and contractors in over 75 countries without needing to set up a legal entity in each location. Remote payroll software enables payroll for employees across 75+ countries, focusing on compliance with local tax systems. The platform offers tools to simplify payroll processes, such as automating recurring payments and generating detailed payroll reports. Remote (OR) services allow businesses to hire employees in 75+ countries while remaining compliant with local employment laws. The platform manages payroll, tax filings, and benefits administration, helping businesses meet regional requirements. Remote offers a global contractor plan. Remote automates onboarding, payment approvals, and recurring invoice. The software also generates legally compliant, localized contracts vetted by legal experts. Remote helps with global payroll and HR management with localized compliance features and contract generation tools that reduce the complexities of international hiring. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.